Good afternoon, my dear children. Welcome back to the moral science class. Yesterday we have started a new lesson number 3. I hope you all understood the story. Today we will go through the textbook. Let's open your moral science textbook, lesson number 3. We should not cheat others. Let's start reading. Raju and Manu were good friends. They had great trust in each other. Once they decided to enjoy their holidays together. They went out to a hill station for a week. Raju and Manu were good friends. They had great trust in each other. The two friends had great faith in each other. Once they decided to enjoy their holidays together. They went out to a hill station for a week. So they decided to go for a picnic. They went out to a hill station. What is meant by hill station? Have you heard about Ooty? Ooty is a hill station. A hill station is a town located higher than a normal place. Okay. Raju and Manu were good friends. Both of them planned to go for a picnic to a hill station for 1 week. Clear? Go to the second paragraph. Both enjoyed their stay at the hill station. After 7 days, they planned to return. When they reached the station to board the train, they found a bag lying on the station platform. Both Raju and Manu enjoyed their holidays at the hill station. After 7 days, they planned to return back to their home. So they reached at the railway station to board the train. Then they found a bag lying on the station platform. Raju noticed it first and picked it up. He opened it and saw that it contained a lot of cash and jewelry. Next paragraph. Raju tried to hide it in his suitcase, but Manu suggested, Raju, we should not keep it with us. Somebody has misplaced it. We should ask the people at the station. If someone claims ownership and is able to tell the exact details, we shall hand over this bag to him. Once Raju picked up the bag, what he did? He tried to hide the bag in his suitcase. But Manu said that, Raju, we should not keep it with us. Somebody has misplaced it. Someone must have forgotten it. We should ask the people at the station. We must ask the people at the railway station. If someone claims ownership, someone says it is their own money, and if he tells us the correct details about this bag, we can hand over this bag to him. No, you are a fool. Everyone will come to claim it as his own bag. I have found it, so this is mine, Raju said. No, you are a fool. Who said these words? Raju said, Ramu, you are a fool. If we do so, all the people at the railway station will come and they will say that it is my own bag. So, I have found it. Raju have found it, so this is mine. Raju said. Manu said, what are you talking? In case you do not want to give it to its owner, we should divide it into 2 equal parts. Both of us have found it. We have shared every moment, food and every joy here together. Therefore, we should divide the cash and jewelry also into 2 parts to enjoy it together. Manu said to Raju, what are you talking? In case if you don't want to give the bag to its real owner, we should divide it into 2 equal parts. We should divide the cash and jewelry into two equal parts. Both of us have found it, no? We have shared every moment, food and every joy here together. Therefore, we should divide the cash and jewelry also into two equal parts to enjoy it together. I don't agree with you. I saw it first and so it is mine. Who said these words? Raju said. I don't agree with you. I cannot agree. I saw it first. So it is mine. Raju kept the bag in his possession. Possession means what? Something that is owned or controlled by someone. That is possession. Here Raju had taken the possession of the bag. Meanwhile, the train arrived at the station. Raju and Manu boarded it. Raju and Manu get onto the train. Once the train arrived at the station, Raju and Manu get into the train. Once they occupied their seats, they got their seats. They were at ease and began talking to each other. Naturally, they started talking to each other. Time was rolling on. Time was moving. When night fell, they began feeling sleepy. When night fell, usually what we'll do at night, we used to sleep at night. They began feeling sleepy. After some time, the train halted at the next railway station. After some time, the train stopped at the next railway station. Suddenly, they saw some policemen entering their compartment. They saw some policemen came towards their train compartment. Raju was frightened to see them. He tried to put his suitcase behind his back. The police saw the lines of terror in Raju's face and became suspicious about him. They searched his belongings and found the bag. This was the bag they had come searching for. They arrested him and sent him to jail. When the policemen saw the fear on Raju's face, they were doubtful. Policeman searched his belongings. He searched for his things and found the bag. This was the bag they had come searching for. They arrested Raju and sent him to jail. Now, Raju realized that he should have listened to his friends' advice. If we are not considering our friends in good times, they too will not help us in our troubles and problems. If we come across the things which belong to others, we should try to find the real honor and return it. Or else we should hand it over to the police. Finally, what happened? Raju was sent to the jail. He realized that he should have listened to his friend's advice. If Raju heard what Ramu said then, this would not happen to Raju. If we are not considering our friends in good times, they too will not help us in our troubles and problems. If we come across the things which belong to others, we should try to find the real honor and we must return it to the real honor. Or else we should hand it over to the policeman. Children, I believe that you all have got a good moral from this lesson. If you find somebody's things, or else if you find something from the classroom, what you will have to do? You must try to find the real honor of that thing, or else you should hand over to the class teacher. Clear? So children, we have completed the third lesson today. All the students must read the textbook 2 or 3 times. Thank you.